So there you are, in your car or at your desk, minding your daily dues, not knowing that with one quick phone call, your home's tired, old, gray wooden fence could be like brand new. It's hard to believe, but it's true with Texas Fence Restoration. Texas Fence Restoration restores the natural beauty of your fence by removing mildew, mold, and gray discoloration. Texas Fence Restoration is bonded and insured, and it's their goal to guarantee your satisfaction. Remember this, TexasFenceRestoration.com. That's TexasFenceRestoration.com. Got it? Good.